YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to control this robot using this manual controller. Actually, signal is passing through this remote just created. Then I'm going to be able to move it using this something like a joystick, to move backwards like this, then forward, backwards. Then in this case it is moving very well using the back, and the reason why it is not, you need to adjust some few things here. I think this project is under, it is still under, we are still building it, and this is the first demo, the first test. We have a switch here, we also have a battery, then we also have our robot here, and if I lift it, it will be moving, but because the power is very little, then it will just, but if the batteries are too, like if we increase the battery voltage, it will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. This is John. Goodbye.